Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and as you all know that today is the last day of this week. Today is Saturday, so we will be completing our EVS chapter which we are doing since last 2 weeks. Okay, so as you all know that we are doing chapter number 7, our clothes. So today I will be giving you one activity as well as one revision exercise to complete. So as you all know children that every day I provide you two videos, part 1 and part 2. So in part 1 video children you will be having your activity number 3, and in part 2 video you will be having your revision part. Okay, so before starting with our today's video children, I would like to ask you all that I hope you all must have completed your work which I gave you yesterday, and you all remember that yesterday I gave you two activities to complete in your EVS notebooks. So activity 1 and activity 2, I want to show you that if you have done that or not. So I will show you. This is activity 1 which we did yesterday, and first activity was on riddles, guess who am I. Okay, so there were around 4 riddles which I gave you, and I hope you all have completed these 4 riddles in your notebooks. And children, those who have not completed, please make sure that you complete these 4 riddles, activity 1 as well as activity 2, which was of match the following, in which I gave it in a new way that you have to help a girl decide what to wear and when to wear. Okay, so I hope you all have completed till here yesterday. Those who have not completed, first of all make sure that your work should be completed till here, and then only you will start with your new work which we will do today. Okay, so let's get started with our today's exercise, today's activity. So I want you all to take out your EVS notebooks and turn to new page. As you all know that we start every new work from a new page. So first of all what you will do, you will write down today's date, that is 17/7/2021. Again in the first line you will give the heading of your chapter with its number and name. Then in the next line, second line, you will write the assignment number, that is 7.8. Then in the third line you will give the heading of activity which we are going to do, that is activity 3. And then next line you will write about your activity, that what we are going to do in this activity. So fill in the missing letters to complete the names of clothes. Now children, in this activity, very interesting, what you are going to do, you have to fill in the missing letters. I have given some colors here and mentioned the names of the clothes, but I have not written their full spelling. मैंने कुछ colors के साथ यहाँ पे कपड़ों के names आपको दिए हैं, but वो कपड़ों के names पूरे नहीं लिखे हैं. They are written, half of them are clues are written for those names. Okay, some clues I have given, मैंने आपको clues दिए हैं और पूरी स्पेलिंग नहीं लिखी है. तो आपको कलर पढ़ के और यहाँ का वर्ड देख के आपको पता करना है कि यहाँ मैंने कौन से क्लॉथ का नाम लिखा है, एंड यू हैव टू फिल इट हियर. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर इट? Very good. Let's get started now. Okay, and please make sure that you listen to each and every spelling, each and every sentence very carefully which I am explaining for this activity. When you will understand, it will be very easy for you to answer. Okay, so first one, a brown C-T. Now what is this word which is starting with C and ending with T? And the color of that cloth is brown. So have you any guesses children? Yes, very good. This is coat, C-O-A-T, coat. So what you will do, you will fill in the first blank, you will write O, and in the second blank you will write A. So this is your correct spelling of coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Now coming to the second one, which second one that is written here is a green dash H dash R dash. Okay, so what will you write here? Green क्या है? Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Clear? So what you will write in the first blank? S, H is already given, I, then R is already given, then in the last blank T. So a green shirt. Clear to you all? Brown coat, green shirt. Next is, third is a grey dash. S-H dash dash S. Now what is this word with the spelling SH, starting with SH and ending with S? Is it shorts? No. Why? Because the spelling of shorts is S-H-O-R-T-S. But here only two blanks are given. So a grey shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Okay. So S-H and O will be in the first blank, and in the second blank E will be written. So it becomes S-H-O-E-S, shoes. A grey shoe. Okay. Now coming to the fourth part, that is blue dash. S-H dash dash T dash. So what is it? Blue color के क्या है? Shorts. Correct. So the spelling of shorts is S-H-O-R-T-S. Is that clear, children? So in the first blank you will write O, in the second blank you will write R, and in the third blank you will write S. So this is the correct spelling of shorts. Okay, blue shorts. Coming to the fifth sentence, a red dash. S dash dash R dash. So what is this type of cloth whose name starts with S, and in the second last the letter R comes there? Okay, so you have to use your brains to write the name of a cloth here. So a red, is it shorts? No. S-H-O-R-T, S तो रह गया. Then that means this is not the correct spelling. Then what we will write here? Yes, skirt. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. So this is the correct spelling. So in the first blank what we are going to write? K. Okay. Then in the second blank I. Then in the third blank T. So what is the correct word formed here for the cloth? Name of the cloth? Skirt. A red skirt. Now coming to the next part, that is the sixth part. Yellow and purple dash. Okay. So yellow and purple color का क्या हो सकता है जो कि word S से start हो रहा है और S से ही end हो रहा है? Any guesses, children? Yes, socks. S-O-C-K-S. So in the first line, in the first blank you will write O. Then in the second blank you will write C. Then in the third blank you will write K. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Yellow and purple socks. Clear? And orange T dash. Now what is this? Orange color का क्या है? T-shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Is that clear? And then coming to the last, eighth part, black, T-R dash dash S dash R-S. So what is this big word starting with T and ending with S? What is the name of the cloth? Very good, children. This is black trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this very clearly. No confusion is there in this activity. Very easy. Once again, listen to me. A brown coat, C-O-A-T, coat. A green shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. A grey shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Blue shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. A red skirt, S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Then yellow and purple socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. An orange t-shirt, T-S-H-I-R-T shirt, t-shirt. Black trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. So that is all for first part video, children. I hope you all have understood. Now switch on to my part 2 video for your revision work. Bye bye.